again. It's a rich thing.
Hey babes, it's Simone Nicole, back with another video. So excited about today's video because I'm doing a review, unboxing, and install of World New Hair. So the wig that they sent me is their 99J wand curl wig, and it's shipped with FedEx. So once I took it out the FedEx bag, this is the bag it came in. This little black bag with gold writing. It's so cute. There's little hearts on it, and I just think the packaging is so cute. And this is what the hair looks like once I take it out that bag. It's in a plastic bag, and it comes with a lot of other little things that I'm going to show you guys here in a second. They have these hair temporary tattoo edges. I did not use those, but I mean, I have seen people use those before, and then they come out pretty cute actually. They gave me a wig cap. You know, it comes with 2 pieces. They also give you these really cute little mink lashes. And these are just a few business company cards with coupons on it and whatnot. And they also have this little slip in here that says if you do a review, you could potentially get cash back depending on how well your review does. So that was pretty cool. And lastly, they also give you this little hair tie. I don't know the proper term for it, but you do see these a lot in hair install videos where they tie it around their edges, tied on their lace to help their lace stay down and help their edges set or help their edges stay. And I just thought that was so cute, and the little branding on it is so cute, and this was probably my favorite thing next to the wig that they gave me. This is what the wig looks like straight out the package. It was very curly. The curls were very tight, and that's the color that it looked like. One thing I did notice is that even though the hair itself is burgundy, like the roots weren't really burgundy. And I'm going to show you guys that here in a second. That's what the lace looks like. I noticed that these hair companies do not send us full lace anymore. And I mean, that's fine, but I do prefer full lace. And this is what the wig looks like with the cap off of it. Like I said, the curls are very tight. The hair was very, very soft. It's bouncy. It has body. It has volume. And you can kind of notice like the roots aren't really the same color as the ends of the hair. I couldn't really run my hands through it because it's curly hair, and I was getting a little bit of shedding, and that's what I'm showing you guys here. That does look like a lot, but once I continued to do it, and like when I ran my hands down all the hair, you can see I was getting a little bit of shedding. It wasn't a lot to the point where I was worried, but I was getting shedding. So like I was mentioning, the roots of the hair are not as dark as the ends of the hair, and that's what I'm showing you guys. And I'm showing you guys the lace and the knots. The lace is clearly white almost, and it doesn't match my skin tone, so that's something that I had to fix later on in the install process. And the knots weren't really too visible. I did bleach my knots just because personally I want a very natural look, so I bleached my knots, and it's just up to you what you want to do. So just to speed things up a little bit, this is a time lapse of me after I dyed the hair. After I fixed the roots, this is me washing out the dye with shampoo. And once I got done washing the hair, the texture was just so beautiful. Like the hair is so soft. It was so easy to brush through, and the texture was so pretty, which I'm going to show you guys in these next clips. And look at the roots. The roots now are red. They don't look pink anymore. And then like the hair is just so pretty wet. The color is beautiful. And I literally fell in love with the hair after I washed and conditioned it. Like, look at that. It was so easy to comb through. It's so soft. The hair stretched out. This is 24 inches, and you could definitely see that it's 24 inches once you wash out those curls, the initial curls. And like, look how beautiful it is. It's thick. It's soft. It's like the curls are so pretty. And I literally was just in love. Literally, I was in love with the hair. And this is a clip. Literally right after that clip, I walked outside and had my brother record me with the hair in the sun so y'all could see the roots better. The roots are red now. They don't look pink to me at all, and the hair is just so pretty. The texture is pretty. You can just tell that, like, once the hair is washed and conditioned, like, the hair is just so nice. Look at it. Look at the luster. Bye. I was in love, literally in love. Just for the record, because this is a review, that is how much hair was lost in the process of dyeing, washing, and conditioning. And these are just more clips of the hair once I washed out all the conditioner and everything, just so y'all can see the texture and the color for yourselves. So now this is me getting ready to bleach the hair. I have the Clairol bleach. I have some 40 volume developer, some Got To Be glue spray, and I also have my dish that I use to mix up my bleaching powder and the volume developer. So what I'm doing here is spraying Got To Be glue spray on the hair so that the bleach does not transfer onto the hair. We just want to bleach the knots here and not bleach the roots, so that's what that's for. And once I get done spraying that on the hair, I mix up my bleaching powder and my developer. Be careful not to make the consistency too thin because you don't want it to run through the lace. I have a video explaining that in more detail if you guys want to look at that. So now I'm just applying it to my lace. Do not push down too hard. Like I said, we don't want to bleach the roots. We're just trying to bleach the knots here. So don't push down too hard. Also, don't put it on too lightly because we want it to at least get to the knots. So that's what I'm doing here. So now I'm starting the install. First, I'm starting off with the ball cap method. Just putting on my ball cap. I did push back my edges already, and I'm spraying with Got To Be glue spray, and then I dry it with the blow dryer. Also, make sure to push down that ear tab because I don't know if it's anybody else, but I have trouble getting that little part by the ear to lay down. So once I got that done, I began to cut off my cap using an eyebrow razor. And then once I put on my wig, I just go ahead and establish where I want my part to be at. So I'm trying to make a clean middle part. And once I do that, I begin to part out where I want my edges and my sideburns. I did mention that this lace was very white, so I did go in with makeup on the wig, makeup on my ball cap, and I went in with some more makeup once I had the wig on my head just to help everything blend better. Then I go in with Got To Be glue spray and spray down my lace. I do use lace glue, but that's only if I'm going on vacation or I'm going somewhere where I know I'll be sweating a lot. But I usually like to take my wigs off, you know, at the end of the night or in a couple of days, so I don't want them to be sticking very bad. I went in and cut down my edges so they weren't in my face. And I'm spraying Got To Be glued on the lace again, just so that we make sure that this lace is laying down and sticking properly. Then I tie it up again. Then I think I also took it off and then sprayed it one more time and molded my edges and my hairline the way I wanted it to be, as you see me doing right here. I also went in with some tweezers and plucked my part and then pluck the front of the hairline a little bit more. Then I went in with my razor and cut my edges down to the proper length, and I went in and curled them with a small flat iron. Please make sure to pluck your part. You don't want your wig to be looking like a wig, so you want to make sure to have a defined part so it looks very natural. And I went in with some Ruby Kisses foundation and put that on the part as well, which made it match my skin tone very well, as you see here. Then I went in with some scissors and clipped off some of the straggly ends just to make the curls look very curly at the end and not just straggly and straight. And this is the end of the video, y'all. The hair turned out really cute. As you can see, I'm feeling it. The color looks good. It is a little brighter once I'm outside or like directly in the light, but you can see the color here. You can see the hairline looks good. I really did like it. It looks very fluffy. It looks soft. It's bouncy. The hair has volume, body. It moves with me, and I just really recommend this hair, honestly. And I really couldn't get enough of it. I took so many videos for y'all. I do recommend getting this hair. The link for this hair is in the description. And if you guys made it to the end of this video, comment a cherry for me. Make sure you like the video, comment any questions you have, any inquiries, or anything you just want to say, and make sure you subscribe to my channel.